Hi, my name is Amos, and I'm going to explain to you my code. These variables right here, they control my scene, health, X, Y, height of my character, if the game is still running or not, and the number of apples. This block of code right here is for the ConButton class, which is on my splash screen. This button right here, and this is my splash screen function. Inside my splash screen, I have this for loop that draws some trees on the bottom of my screen, right over here. Here's the for loop. And here's the draw function that drew my main character Adam. And in my draw function, I have multiple algorithms that set up in place to draw Adam proportionately. So if I change his height, everything is still proportionate. And here's the character object right over here. Inside my character object, I have a function that controls the left and right keys, and if the game's still playing or not. And this right here draws Adam at a specific spot on the left side of the screen, right over here. And these two functions make my character hop and fall. This right here, this function right here checks to see if my player is touched by an apple or not. If he's touched, then the apple disappears and his health goes down by 1. Here's an empty array of fruits. And this for loop right here pushes in a new fruit randomly between 270 and 400 Y positions. And here's my first scene right here, the forest scene. Passing right here. And in this scene, I have two for loops. One that draws the trees in the background across the screen, and one that draws the apples, check for apple grab, and moves the apples across the screen. And here's some if statements in my code that say if his health equals 0, stop the game, and text press restart to try again. And here is another if statement that says if the key is pressed and key code equals 0, which is the space bar, then the player should hop. Else if the player is less than 360, he should fall. And basically, it's like this in all of my scenes. And here's my draw function that says if the scene equals 0, display the splash screen and the button. Else if the scene is 1, draw scene 1 and player update, which is the arrow key commands. And it's the same for scene 2 and scene 3.